Hello guys, this is your boys back here, and in today's video we are going to pass a 50k founded account, and PropFirm is next step founded. So I will show you how I passed the challenge. Actually, I've passed the first step and now I'm passing the second step, and I will show you some of the other founded accounts that are passed live on this channel. I use my robots to manage them and they are all in profit. These are smart tuned robots that I use. I customize them myself with my own parameters and fix a couple of things. These guys are working amazing. If you're interested in some of them, reach out to me on my Instagram page and I'll connect you. Okay, so having said that, guys, let's get right into the video. Okay, so guys, we are on my desktop right now, and as you guys can see, I'm logged in. Check the account number. So guys, you are seeing it for yourself. Here is the account. You see, we haven't started trading anything yet on it. We haven't taken any trade on it yet. This is the first one that I passed. You see, phase complete results, and this one is active. So I'm about to hit this one right now. So you can see, congratulations, we have a pass. So the first one, we have a pass. Okay, so let's go check the second one. Dashboard for the second one. You guys can see today's date. Okay, so the robot should start trading by now because we set it to start trading at 2:30 around this time. Let's go to the VPS. All right, let's connect to the VPS where I will show you other things. Here is it. So you can see 50k. It hasn't traded yet. I'm assuming that it should start trading by now around this time. So from any moment, let's just cross check. Right. Okay, so guys, as you can see for yourself, guys, the robot is trading right now. Okay, so like we always do, we will wait to see it with this minimum lot size 0.01. We will wait to see it make some profit up to let's say $1. All right, so when it makes a profit up to $1, then we begin to increase the lots. All right, it's very, very important. Okay, because as I told you, you guys have to watch out and always see that your broker is not collecting spread. It did happen to me a time ago whereby I blew my account because the broker had spread. I don't know, for some reason the broker was, he was taking spread from me on US30. I don't know. So guys, you want to make sure there is no spread and there is no commission as well. You should see this here. You see, have no commission on your trades. You see 000. So now that we see that it's all zero, now we will wait till we make some profit. We are losing, so we wait till we make some profit. Then after that, we bust the lots. Okay. In the meantime, I will show you guys some of the challenges that are passed and that are in profit. All right, so let's put this one down. Let's open next step founded with FTMO. I'm still on FTMO. See that it's in profit, doing the 100k challenge, and we are in profit. This is a manual position that I took. The Evo USD is a manual position that I took myself, and it's in profit. That is it with FTMO. This is a robot. You see, profit here. We took a profit here. We took a profit here. We took a profit here. Profit here. Profit here. Profit here. Profit here. And this one is the first losing trade that we are going to have. All right, we are up 3% of the capital. Think of it, and we just need 10%. So you see how these robots are working right now. With FTMO, I'm still on the challenge phase. All right, now with next step founded, this is the one that we are doing the challenge right now. Okay, that's next step founded. All right, now Infinity Forex, we already passed the challenge. All right, so if you've not watched the video, guys, make sure you go and watch it. All right, and guys, if you're liking what I'm showing you and these explanations, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Okay, if you like content like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel. This is a challenge that I passed a time ago. All right, okay, so guys, this is Infinity Forex Fund, and it's a challenge that I did pass on my channel. Okay, so you can go and watch the video how I did the setup and everything. Yeah, they too do payouts. Okay, and look, it was a 25k account, and here we are, right? 26,125. right? Not me. It was all managed by the robots. I have these smart team robots, and they are doing an excellent job. All right, so we are in profit with this one too, and let's go and see Kortana. Kortana, don't let me down. All right, Kortana too, I have the 10k, and we are up 532. Think of it. And with Kortana, you can only withdraw 7% of your capital. Okay, 7% of the balance of the account. If I have a 10k and right now I'm sitting in 10,532, you can tell it for yourself. All managed by robots, not my hands. All right, so you guys can see for yourself, we are sitting in a big profit with Kortana as well. Let's hope they do pay me. That's the most important thing, because it's not about just being in profit. Bro, I have to be able to cash out the money. Feel me? That's what I'm talking about. And at the end of the day, that is why we trade prop firms. You understand me? That they will give you the capital so that you will be able to leverage on their capital. You understand me? Make profits on their capital. Okay, that's the most important thing with prop firms. Trade, make money, get the money, and put it in your own personal trading account with your broker. All right, so that you can have the whole control of that trading account. You understand me? In terms of if you want to risk all the 100%, go for it. There won't be no restrictions. You guys understand me? The other thing with prop firms is that prop firms can kick you off their platforms anytime. All right, so as long as you can make money with prop firms, do it. Make the money with them. Get the money, put it in your trading accounts. All right, so that in your trading accounts, the broker can't kick you off. I don't know if I can put it in this way. There's no conflict of interest. You guys understand me? The broker just take your money and he take it to the liquidity funds, and you know, if you make it good, bring you your profit. All right, but with the prop firms, sometimes, you know, instead of them doing their job well, instead of them copying your trades, it's a whole lot of drama. Sometimes they come up with some sketchy things that, you know, it's all a whole lot of drama. All right, so as long as you can make money with prop firms, make the money and put them, you know, compound them in your trading accounts, then there you can do whatever thing you want to do. All right, guys, if you had a bad experience with some prop firms, put it in the comment section and let me know. All right, or it can help someone in the community. Okay, you see, so we are managing this account too with robots, and as you can see, we are standing in profit. Let's get back to next funded and see what's going on. You see, so the robot has trade. You remember that we were in negative, right? We were losing. Now it has trade. We have almost 50 cents added to our account. Okay, so we want the robot to trade till we get to approximately around, let's say, $1. Right, so when we see that, okay, yo, the robot has traded the money from the initial capital and it has added $1 to it, that means if we increase the lot size, then we can make more money. That's the idea behind starting with a small capital. Right, when you're using HFT robots to trade your account, you want to start with small capitals, okay, so that you test it out to see that you are making money. So when you start to see that you are making money, then little by little you increase the lot size, because that will tell you that if you are making money with a small lot size, then when you boost the lot size, you will begin to get bigger money. Don't start with big lot size. All right, it could blow your account. I'm a victim. Love you. That's what I'm telling you. Okay, so yeah, you guys can see for yourself it's going on well here. Let's wait for a couple more of trades, then we'll increase the lot size. Then I will stop the video, then I will put you guys back in. We've made a profit and the challenge is complete.
A few moments later.
Okay, so as you guys can see, we are still standing in profit. You see, some minutes have passed gone and we're still standing in profit, but listen, I ain't got no time for waiting. All right, so as long as we are still in profit, it shows me that if I boast it, it will do well. All right, that is the most important thing. That's the idea. All right, now let's boast the lot size, because one thing also that is important for you guys to know is that high frequency trades sends a lot of information to the server of the prop firm or the broker. All right, so that is why you need to increase your lot size so that you will pass the challenge quick. If not, you will be classified as you are doing a hyper activity, which is not good, and it will get your account blocked. All right, very, very important to know that, to notice that. Okay, so once you notice that, you know, after 30 minutes, after 20 minutes, the HFT robot is producing profit for you, or it has been able, with a smaller lot size, it has been able to increase your account up to, let's say, $1, then increase it. All right, in my case, it wasn't a $1, but we could see that, you know, it kept me in profit. All right, after all the 30 minutes that went by, I could see that I was still in profit. It managed to keep me in profit. So that also is a sign that the robot is on point and you can pass the challenge. All right, yeah, at this point we've increased the lot size to the lot size that we used to pass the previous phase. So let's see how it goes, and I will update you guys ASAP. All right, after we pass. Catch you after. So you guys can see it is increasing. I mean, it is adding more profits to the accounts. All right, so that's the goal. That's what we want. All right, I will update you guys little by little as it increases the accounts. Okay, catch you later.
A few moments later.
So guys, you can see that we are in profit, but I want to show you guys something that, when we started, the market wasn't that much volatile. So all of this time we were not making money. But now, then when the market got here, when it starts to get more volatile, then we are getting a lot of money. You guys get me? So the tip is you always want to have your HFT robots running on a more volatile market. That is why normally we run it on the indices, all right? Because the indices are more volatile, all right? They move more, okay? So I wasn't making much money out of this because, as I told you, when it started, the market was a little bit slow and choppy. Y'all can see it, all right? Yeah, now let's see how everything goes and I will update you guys later, all right?
A few minutes later.
Guys, so you can see I've already passed the challenge, as you can see on the display, all right? It looks like I'm not looking at you guys, yeah, because I'm looking at my money though, but all right, here we are sitting at 55,272k. all right? The challenges is that, there is always the emotional side of things, attached to it. You don't want to lose, you don't know how the market's gonna act, because look at the market today. It was a little bit rough today, it was a little bit choppy today, you understand me? So even the idea of people always telling you that, with the HFT bots, you pass the challenge in less than an hour and all those kind of things, it really depends. Do you understand me? Because it comes up on different factors. Like I saw that my own, in this case, it was taking a little bit longer. So I said, okay, where is the history? Let me come and boost the lots a little bit. All right. So I did boost the lot a little bit. And here, check it out. Look, you see, I was using this lot size, all right, 2. Then I boosted to 3. Then the broker told me that the prof firm said that delayed it. Why? Because there was no money. So they didn't allow me to use the 30 lot size, probably because I was going off the limit. But I don't think so, because it's a challenge. You understand me? So at the end of the day, they should have let me use it. But anyway, they should have let me have a leverage of 1:100. But that is up to them, all right? But anyway, as you guys can see, we've made it to pass the challenge, all right? Same old day, exactly at 5 p.m. And it took us roughly 3.5 hours, right? Because we started at 2:30, right? 2, 2, 3. Guys, are you serious? Are you gonna put all of this part inside? So guys, as you can see for yourself, it took me 2 hours and 30 minutes for me to be able to pass this challenge finally. Yeah, sometimes, it depends on the market conditions. It depends on, for you to be able to pass your challenges with HFT robots quickly. I won't even use quickly, the word quickly, but sometimes it depends on different factors. You understand me? Not always are you going to be able to pass it within a day. Normally with HFT robots, you are supposed to pass the challenge within a day or even less than some few hours. As you guys can see, in 2 hours 30 minutes I passed mine. Now I'm trading more conservatively and I have a strategic way of doing it. You guys saw all the progression, all right? So I would say that at the end of the day, it depends on different factors and variables. It's not all that easy as many people make you think that, you just put it on and the robot will pass for you. No, it depends on different factors and all those kind of things, all right? So anyway, I will make a couple of money here, so I will let my other robots manage the rest of the accounts. As you guys can see here, you see we're standing in profit, and you see, and it says profit rich. So we down past, yeah, we just have to wait for 3 hours. No, we just have to wait for 5 more days, all right? Because they have a minimum trading day, so we just have to respect it. Then after that, I think be okay. So guys, I'll bring this video to an end. If there is anything, let me know in the comment section. Do my best to come in and help you guys, all right? Make sure you like the video as well. I'm part of the community, okay? Subscribe to the channel. Guys, having said that, peace out, and I'll see you on the other video. Bye.